Hello everyone, this is Sean with Pew Pew Tactical, and today we're doing a field strip and reassembly of the Canik METE MC9. To begin, remove the magazine by pushing on the magazine release button. Now, pull the slide to the rear and make sure there are no rounds in the chamber. Once this is established, press the trigger while pointing in a safe direction. Next, pull down on both takedown levers while pulling back on the slide. Release the slide forward and the slide will come free. And now compress the recoil spring and pull down to remove it from the slide. From here, push down on the barrel and back it out from the slide. This concludes disassembly. Let's put it back together. For more information on concealed carry handguns, check out our guide on pewpewtactical.com. The link is in the description below. To reassemble, start with the slide, reinsert the barrel with the lug down. Pull it back until it sits into place. Compress the recoil spring in the front of the slide until it seats on the lug. Now, line up the rail on the frame and pull the slide back to reassemble. This completes reassembly. Let's do a function test. Pointing in a safe direction, press the trigger and hold it down. While holding the trigger down, we'll move the slide to the back and let it go. Now release the trigger until you hear reset. Now I can press the trigger again. Finally, reinsert the magazine and pull the slide to the rear to check for last round hold open. This weapon is functioning fine. This has been the takedown and reassembly of the Canik METE MC9. For more information on this and other fine weapons, head over to pewpewtactical.com, your definitive source for gear, guides, gun reviews, and all things that go bang.